Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can add a payment method in Shopify. Now, Shopify offers a ton of options, so you can add whatever suits your country and your set of rules. All you have to do is once you have set up your account or your Shopify website, just click on settings on the bottom left corner, and after that you can click on payments. Once you're in here, as you can see, these are the supported payment methods, but you can always add another payment method by just clicking on this plus symbol. Now you can either search by payment method or by provider. Now if you hover over search by payment method, it will give you all the options like Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and you can add individual payment methods by just clicking on them, and they will keep getting added over here on the bottom right corner. But you can obviously select the best option, which is to search by provider. Once you do that, as you can see, my country has Razorpay, and if I click on this, you can quickly add this whole stack of payments. It has 15 more. Just click on that, click on install, and that is it. You have now added a payment method externally using the options that are available in Shopify. Click on install, and that is it. We have now successfully added another payment method in Shopify. So hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos you should make. That's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.